Hello everyone. We have with here a nuclear counter and its sensor. We basically are going to now check that what is the effect of the distance on the number of counts from the source and the detector. So what we will be doing is we will be placing the source initially at the topmost level, and then we will be taking it slowly one by one till the end, and we will see what is the difference or what is the effect of this on the number of counts that is received in our detector. So let us start. I have already placed the source here and I have set the voltage to 900 volts. So let us begin with the counting. So for the very first as we have placed the source very close to the detector, we can observe that the count rate is so high. That means so much of radioactivity is going on. Now we will check, because we have default settings as 30 seconds. So we'll obviously be able to see the reading at 30 seconds is 7463. Now let us change the source. I am taking it one level below, and I've started the counter. It is 3260 now. We will now take one step lower and start the counter. Now it is 1881. You can see how much difference it is there immediately. One step lower. We will be able to observe that as we go on increasing the distance between the source and the detector, the amount of radiation activity that is encountered by the detector starts reducing, hence the number of counts also will automatically reduce. It is now 1175. 8 to 7. Five, 4. There are total 14 slots. We are exactly at the 7th slot right now. It is now 4:27. $365. $284. So we can very well see the change in the count rate depending on so we have steadily been moving the source away from the detector. Now it is 242. The distance between the slots is 1 centimeter, so we can easily assume that way, and we can have the distance on the x-axis and the count rate on the y-axis while plotting the graph for the same. Sorry, I just missed the readings for this one. We could take the reading again, no problem. For the same slot, this is for the same slot. So it's 240. Moving one slot lower. While plotting, make sure that one reading is repeated, so you have to discard one of them. You will be able to see that in the video. So it is now 164. This is the second last slot. $181. And the last slot. So we have observed here so easily the effect of distance between the source and the detector on the count rate. 144 is the last reading.